I've been using Hemuhim somewhere in March this year, and I'm just really grateful how this product changed and continuously changing my hormonal imbalance issue. 5 years ago, I was diagnosed with endometriosis. For those of you who don't know about this disorder, let me share some information. Endometriosis is a disorder suffered by 2 out of 10 women worldwide. Doctors and specialists, they cannot pinpoint what really causes this disorder. So there is no cause. It's unknown the cause for this disorder. There are of course many theories regarding what caused this disorder, but none of this theory has been scientifically proven. So one can only speculate. For example, they say it might be linked to genetics or even environmental toxin. So if your aunt, your sister, your mom has it, it is more likely that you also have this. Another theory is that the hormones transform from one cell outside the uterus into cells similar to those lining inside, which causes so much pain or endometrial cell. But I'm going to spare you from all this boring theory. Point being, I am suffering from this disorder on a monthly basis. And up until now, endometriosis has no cure. Let me see. There are some temporary relief that doctors offer. So some are really extensive solution that you can use to manage pain or symptom. But then again, there is totally no cure that exists until now. So having this disorder, I took the one relief that my doctor offered, which is laparoscopic surgery, which I had 4 years ago. So during the first cycle after this long, painful, and tiring surgery, it helped me. It's like, oh, it's nice, my complaints are gone after I had my surgery. But that did not last long, because after 2 years or 16 months to be exact, all this complaint and pain are back. So to make it short, I just learned to live with the pain by taking medication to have the temporary relief. And yeah, just accept that this is the disorder that I have. And honestly, this condition causes challenges in my day-to-day life. Some of the symptoms include very, very painful period. You have cramps 1 or 2 weeks around your menstrual period and heavy bleeding, a lot of discomfort and lower back pain, to name a few. There are severe patients with this one that they really faint or vomit or really dysfunctional. There were times when I also have to call in sick from work just to handle all this pain that I have. So that is the endometriosis in a nutshell. It's really an hormonal imbalance disorder. Meantime, I first heard about Hemuhim in February, and you probably made the same assumption as I did, which is I assumed that this product is for men only because of the word him in it. Little did I know that it's actually, so this is difficult to pronounce. It's hematopiosis, immunity, and modulation. Did I say that right, Joyce?
Correct.
So in layman's term, actually, it's the process or maybe the production of blood in a healthy immune system. In simplified term, this means that a person's immunity can be improved only when there's a healthy blood production or blood cells production. So we have, marami tayong sakit-sakit that it's the cause of the imbalanced blood cell production. And by the way, I found out during this research that Hemuhim is approved functional health supplement, and it was #1 already in South Korea in 2012. So there, I did my research about the product because around that time I started to promote and talk also about Atomy. So I said, I might as well have to learn more about this product that I'm promoting. During this research as well, I came across some scientific study about Hemuhim. I believe it was the platform called the Gale on File Health in Medicine or something like this. And the study about Hemuhim improved the ovarian methodology and decrease of irregular growth of cell. So a quick background, I used to work with urologists in Europe. And so I like to read this scientific study, and I'm a little bit familiar with some of the syndrome. Again, I will try not to make this boring. In short, Hemuhim was used to administer orally or injected to the subject for 35 consecutive days, and then they see all these changes in the subject. It kind of like it was beneficial effect and prevent the treatment of PCOS syndrome. So again, to make this long story short, after doing my research and learning what this supplement does, I took this beginning somewhere in March, every day morning in an empty stomach since then. And what I noticed is this: for the 2 consecutive months that I'm using now around my period, I did not experience the symptoms I mentioned earlier. I was surprised myself, and I got like, huh, I'm having my period. So I was really surprised, and I thought, okay, maybe something else, maybe I don't know because of the vaccine, I don't know. So again comes the second period, and I still did not have those complaints. And then that's when I realized, okay, Hemuhim is helping me. Hemuhim is actually doing its work. I feel like I have gone into another operation without the hospitalization, without the surgery, because I felt the same relief after the surgery and after I've been using Hemuhim for two months. So there, it's only been 2 months, of course. So, but until now, I'm really benefiting already from the effect of this product by taking it every day. And it not only that it brought relief during my cycle, but also I have a better sleep now than before. And these are just among the many benefits that one can experience using these products. So yeah, I cannot wait for other women who are suffering with the same disorder as me to have the same relief that I have experienced. And I'm going to introduce it to them. I was part of the group with the same disorder, so I'm going to introduce it to them. So there you have it, the power of Hemuhim for women who suffer from endometriosis.